lot of people have been showing interest in my 8-band QRP SDR radio, low cost, and I thought I'd show you my aerial first. My aerial is basically the washing line. I don't know if you can see it. There's the wire, and it runs along here to these pegs. There's a join here where I've actually tuned the aerial. There's still some pegs on it, and it's about, that's me, and then it's about 5 foot something off the ground, and it's just a I think it's a half-wave end fed, and it comes down here. It's a bit frost on the roof there, look, and it comes to the bungalow and it goes into a 49-to-1 and UnUn, and the coax then goes into the bedroom. And on this terminal here is the aerial one with the insulator, and this one here is the counterpoise or ground connection, and the counterpoise goes up to the guttering, goes along the guttering, and finishes there. You can just see the wire, and then the other way it goes to there, so it runs all the way along the guttering to the counterpoise connection. Now, what sort of range am I getting with this really crude setup? Well, I was speaking to a guy in Denmark, and I think that's about 800 miles on this, running between 2 and 5 watts. I think it was running 3 watts on the SDR QRP transceiver, and he gave me a good audio report, but a very, very weak signal, which is what you would expect from this aerial. And I'll just go in and I'll talk about the radio and the new settings I am using with the external microphone. Now I've actually adjusted it yet again. For additional information, the temperature here outside is 0.9, so it's nearly 1 degree. It went down below 0 last night, I could see that. And this one here says 0. The internal temperature is nearly 20. Right, so I'll just switch the radio on, and I've come in the house and I just go through the settings, the menu, volume 10, noise, filter full bandwidth, 20-meter band, tune rate 1K, VFO-A, RIT off, ADC fast, noise reduction 0, attenuator 0, attenuator 2 is set to 2, S meter S, forward SWR, CW decoder off, SAM-QSK off, key speed 25, keyer mode straight, keyer swap off, practice off, box off, noise gate 4, TX drive 4, CQ interview 5, that's the CQ message, PAD bias minimum 60, PSPI maximum 200, reference 250000, IQ phase 90, backlit on, and that's all the settings. Let's go back, switch it off. Now this is the settings I used for connecting with or contacting in Denmark, which is about 800 miles away. The audio was good, but the signal strength was poor into Denmark. What do you expect? And these are the settings I use for external microphones such as the Bofang I've talked about in a previous video, and my other microphone. and it seems to work very well. And you know, I've already showed you what the aerial setup is from the bungalow, which is very, very basic. So I hope this video is of use to somebody. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.